Golden app to add trees to a treeless landscape. So basically you can upload a photo. So I'm going to upload a photo that was described as a liminal landscape because it had no trees. That's how bad it was. So get your photo in. You can click to add trees.
Oh, wow.
And it generates trees with shadow pretty realistically. It took a little while. At first I chose like the oldest of the old trees, and then I realized it wasn't looking right, partly because they're just so huge. And so throughout this process I used Gemini, and I started by saying, okay, this is what I want to do. How would we go about it? I'm thinking that maybe the problem is that not the size of the trees, but that it just doesn't look right. And Gemini was like, yes, that's probably because that tree is actually 27 stories high. And I'm just like, oh, that makes sense. Why it doesn't look right on this suburban street.